one of our super cool websites we're going to be using this year to help us with our reading is called Epic. To get Epic, we are going to type in getepic.com, or you could go to just a Google search and type in Epic, and we can just log in from here, student login. So because we're making this video right now, I'm teaching you how to log in. Things are going to be a little bit different the first time that we do it. So when you go to Epic, you are going to type in our class code. Now our class code for Epic is listed on our classroom feed, but right now let me just grab it for us. Oh, sorry. Our class code is WDM 4682. So when I type in WDM 4682 and hit go, it's going to say Mrs. Armstrong's class, and then your name is actually going to pop up here. So you are going to click on your name. Okay, and I'm going to show you, I created one for my daughter just for practice. I'm going to pretend that she's in our class, and I'll show you what happens when you click your name. So let's just look at the screen really quick. It says, welcome to Mrs. Armstrong's class, has our class code right there, and it has your name, and it has a level 1 underneath. I'm not really sure why it says level 1, because I put in that everyone's in 5th grade, but I'll show you soon, once we get in there, how you can choose books that are on your level and how you can see what levels the books are. So just ignore it, that level 1 thing. I'm not really sure what that means right now. Okay, so as soon as you click on your name, it's going to ask you for your parents' login information, your parents' email address. I already set up the parent email address for her, so it's going right to the parent login information. What we can do instead of your parent login information is we are going to type in your login information. So you're going to type in your Ben Salem email address, and then for your password, we're going to make it our Ben Salem password. And anytime we create something new, we're going to try to stick with that formula. Some websites want us to have a letter, a capital letter, a lowercase letter, numbers, exclamation points, whatever else. But whenever we can just type in our normal email address and password, we're going to stick with that because it's so much easier just to remember one thing. Okay, so I'm typing in my email address as a parent for Epic, but okay, so once we get on to the Epic screen, it's going to look just like this. Some of you may have already have Epic. I know that some teachers have used it in the past, so if you already have an account and you're already comfortable using your own account, that's totally fine. You can do that. I just want you to be able to have this resource as like an unlimited library for you to choose books from. You're going to be able to choose these books as part of your independent reading that you can write down for your reading log each day, but also we are going to read some as a class. So it's important that you're able to get onto this website because we are going to be reading like our class books if they're available on here. Our first one is available on here, and I will explain what that is and how we're going to get started with that at a different time. But it's very important that we're able to somehow download Epic and be able to get on it frequently. So try your best to get on and let me know if you have any issues or any questions, and I can help you further from there. Okay.